really care nothing about it, babe. 'Cause since I saw your face, I've been staring.
Sarah, when you came into my life, you showed me how to love. You showed me how to act like a man. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. I want to be the man that makes you laugh. I want to take care of you. I want to be the man that you can depend on. I vow to love you today, tomorrow, and forever.
They say that life is full of tough decisions, but the easiest decision I ever made was to agree to be your wife. You're kind, intelligent, funny, and so cuddly. I promise to be the wife that you deserve, to love you unconditionally, and to give you headaches now and then. I'm so excited to start our life together and grow old with you. I love you so much.
My little daisy, come here and let me rock it like a baby, baby, baby. Pretty lady, don't you know you'll always be my baby, baby, baby.
And finally, to my husband. They say that women dream about their wedding day from the time that they're little girls. And I guess that's somewhat true for me. But I can honestly say that I've never dreamt of a marriage and a home and a family of my own until I met you. You know, after tonight, this wedding will be over, only relived by stories and photos. But tomorrow morning, we're gonna wake up together in our home and start our life together. And that's the true blessing. I love you.
That first day when we sat in that lunchroom at Pharma Medica, and you kicked me underneath the table, I knew it was destiny. It was as if some heavenly angel had arranged for us to be together. From there we talked more. I fell deeper in love with you. I realized I always want to be the one that makes you smile. I always want to hear you laugh. I always want to hear your heartbeat next to mine. So now, today as I stand in front of you, I offer you my heart and my hand. And I want to let you know as we start our journey together, we're going to do so as partners, lovers, and best friends. Sarah, Mrs. Villafana, I like the way that sounds. You're the woman I want to grow old with. You're the woman I want to have a family with. You're the woman that I want to continue loving as we continue this journey together. I love you with every fiber of my being, and I'll continue to do so for the rest of my life. I love you, baby.
One, you're so lucky to meet our daughter. Two, you are the luckiest man to be married to my daughter. Three, you are so lucky to be part of this family.
A man who is beginning to distinguish himself at the very highest level amongst his peers, and where none can say a bad word against him. That is my son, Justin Villafana, and I'm very proud of him.
Yeah. I think I'm in love with you. You didn't have to run. I knew it was love from a mile away. But I had to catch you and run it through my mind all day, baby. And they'll say I'm crazy, 'cause anybody, even when your father say that I can't be with you, I don't hear a word they say. 'Cause I'm in love with that girl. So don't be mad. 'cause I'm in love with that girl. So don't be mad at me. So much from the other side of the track. So what, the world don't think we match. I put it down like my love song. Guess what? I'm in love with that girl. And she told me that she's in love with me. Now we didn't have to fall, but we fell in love to the bottom, babe. No one dared to touch us like when you fell from heaven that day, baby. People always staring, but I don't even. I'm in love, yes, I'm in love with that girl. I don't care what people say, 'cause I'm in love with that girl.